How to log in into AOL Mail. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in AOL Mail and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, mail.aol.com, open. With that, you will be directed to the login page. AOL Mail lets you customize how you want your emails to look when sending messages to your contacts. Send, forward, and reply to messages, create and use a signature, or choose a default font to make every message your own. Now over here you have to provide your credentials, type in username, email or mobile number. In the case you have forgotten your username, click on this option to recover it. After you type in, click on next, and in the next page you will need to type in your password. Once you type in the password, click on confirm, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your AOL Mail. In the case you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option of create an account and register for your AOL Mail. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.